In this video, I will demonstrate the Whiteboard app in NUITEQ Snowflake. The Whiteboard app provides teachers and students with an easy and visually appealing way to present information. It can also be used creatively, for instance, to draw or to enhance text with colorful icons and symbols. Start the Whiteboard app in NUITEQ Snowflake. You will see a blank workspace and a toolbar at the bottom. By default, the tool that is already selected is a black pencil. Clicking on any of the other tools will switch to that one. Clicking on the colors or on the color palette will let you change the color of the tool you are currently using. There are 4 drawing tools and an eraser to choose from. Next to the drawing tools, you will find a number of math tools. Hold and drag any of these tools to your workspace and draw lines, circles and angles, or use the calculator to solve math problems. You can also add a sticky note to your workspace. Simply click on the icon, select a color, and drag it into position. Then you can add text to the sticky note. Sticky notes can be resized by holding down and dragging the circle at the lower right corner. Add a fun stamp by clicking on the icon, selecting the stamp, and then clicking on the workspace. You can add media or even a lesson activity by clicking the image icon in the toolbar. This will bring up a file browser, allowing you to look for media, YouTube videos, or lesson activities. If you select Change Background, a file browser will appear, allowing you to look for an image file on your computer or on the internet. To add text, select the text icon, draw a text box by clicking on your workspace and dragging your finger or the mouse cursor. Then type the text. You can move tools, text boxes, and post-it notes by selecting the cross icon and clicking on the item you wish to move. You can resize items by clicking on the white circle at the bottom right corner and dragging. By pressing the X icon on the top right corner, you can delete items. The plus icon will allow you to add pages to your workspace. You can navigate between pages by clicking on the arrows. You can always save your work by clicking on the menu and selecting Save. Clicking on the same menu will allow you to start a new document, open another one, or clear your workspace. If you wish to undo your latest action, press the left arrow icon by the menu. Pressing the right arrow icon will redo any action you have undone. To exit the Whiteboard app and go back to the main screen in NUITEQ Snowflake, simply click on the corner menu and select Close App.